Part two, everything wants to grow. The earth is abundant. Look at all these little seeds popping out of an organic apple. God is about life, pro-life. We've got abundance everywhere. I mean, open a squash, open a watermelon, one that has seeds. Um, if we were smarter about what we did and how we lived, we could put these seeds everywhere. We could have community gardens. We would have the Garden of Eden just by organizing a little better and doing things a little different. And there would be plenty of food, fruits, everything for everyone when we get smart, when we embrace that meekness. And meek means willing to learn in the Aramaic language, of which I've studied. And I'm not saying the Bible is wrong. There is a lot of beautiful passages in the Bible that hold true forever. It's been heavily edited. I like to study. And I think that study leads to more of my own personal relationship with God, with Creator, with Source,